Hello there. This is Friday, the 6th December. Am I in Salford? Am I in Manchester? I'll let you make your own decision. I'm going for a quick trip out to the Keys. See you in a mo. Welcome to Media City UK. That was the excellent trams. Got the Lowry Centre over there. Imperial War Museum North. And the BBC and ITV. Only here for an hour, so I'm going to go shopping over there. Right, this is the Lowry Theatre Complex. Footbridge there, which takes you over to Imperial War Museum North. Very nice flats. And this is the shopping centre. Loads of places to eat at night as well, by the way. I would recommend popping down here if you're ever in Salford. Now this is technically Salford, which is not part of Manchester, it's a separate city.